So we've been fortunate enough to partner with Rebuilding Together San Francisco for this exciting project, which is a very important community park that this community uses all the time.
Get that corner. All right. Be walking.
All right.
On the wall, then spread it. Watch your feet. Yeah. It's not going down. Yeah, it's a long one. Right there. Are you good? Okay. So I'll just do them quick, guys. This park is 270 acres, roughly. Goes all the way around Yosemite Slough. And this is the entire staff, other than two people that are not here right now. Actually, Roberto's in the park somewhere right now. And then we have another interpreter. This is it for the entire park every week. So when you guys coming out here today and doing this, the pier, the windscreens, the painting, the fence, it would take us forever to get these projects done. We just don't have the manpower or the staff. We're very limited. The pandemic has really created a lot of problems at this park. So what you guys are doing is tremendous.